Hi everyone, under the project of Skin Brilliance for women above the age of 30. Today we'll be looking at some simple symptoms which you will encounter the moment you strike the age of 30. The first one is the dullness of the skin. Now the dullness, that means the skin doesn't radiate anymore. You feel the skin is very patchy. It doesn't shine anymore as it used to be. The reason being the cell turnover rate slows down. So there's a lot of stacking of the dead skin cells over the top of the live skin, and that's why you do not shine and radiate. How do you fix it? The first step is to buy an exfoliator. Exfoliator like an AHA, BHA or a PHA. If your skin is normal, pick up a glycolic based face wash or a glycolic based cream. If your skin is very sensitive, pick up a PHA based face wash or a cream. The skin is very oily, pick up a salicylic acid based face wash or a cream. These exfoliators will help the dead layer to be removed and your live skin will surface up, giving you that shine. Symptom number 2, the dryness of the skin. Now with age turning over, definitely the skin cell turnover is also slowing down, and that's why it has less capacity to hold water and your fatty acids in the skin. And in fact, the reduction of hyaluronic acid and ceramides in the skin also happen because now there's less production of them. So the skin tends to get drier. So what do we do? How do we fix it? First, again buy an exfoliator, face wash or a cream, so that the upper dead stacked layer is removed. Live cells are again coming back into action, and you apply the second remedy is use a moisturizer which has shea butter or oatmeal. You can pick up ceramide, or you can also pick up compounds like hyaluronic acid cream, which will hold up the water in your skin cells and keep your skin bouncy, shiny and looking hydrated. Symptom number 3, you may also have acne. Now if you have persisting acne beyond the age of 25, you are moving into an adult acne. Adult acne has a hormonal kind of a reason, so you have to go to a dermat to get your hormones checked. If there are symptoms like excess hair growing on the chin, hair loss, acne, pigmentation, weight gain, all of these fall into a category where we call it as polycystic ovarian syndrome. That has to be ruled out. If there is definite diagnosis of hormonal imbalance, then you may have to be considering some hormonal pills like spironolactone, maybe oral contraceptive pills, or sometimes even isotroin to get those bigger acne, which are characteristic of adult acne, kind of coming under control. And all these adult acne also leave a big scarring tendency. You may be left with marks. So oral treatments, topical creams have to come under control, have to get you better, and you have to show to a doctor as soon as possible the moment you have acne after the age of 30. Along with this, a lot of lifestyle changes also have to be incorporated, like what you eat. So antioxidants have to be going in the form of veggies, right veggies, good amount of fruits have to be going in. Your sleep and stress pattern also affects a lot of hormonal acne which is coming on the face. You might be a professional, you might be a recent mother. All of these factors will have an impact on acne and pigmentation, which you may get the moment you reach your 30s. So make sure you are getting good amount of sleep, good amount of fruits and veggies, and your stress level management, your social habits of not waking up very late, alcohol drinking, smoking, all of these have to come under control. Along with that, start with supplements which will not only give you good vitamins but also other minerals, antioxidants to protect your skin and your hair. The last not the least is the pigmentation. Now with, like I said, stress causes pigmentation, pregnancy causes pigmentation, your increase in sugar levels, insulin levels, your weight gain, everything will cause hormonal imbalance that may lead to a pigmentation formation. Your even few of the foods are able to trigger inflammation in the skin and lead to pigmentation. So all of this has to be sorted out. If in case you have pigmentation on the face, then visit a dermat so that we can sort out and look into what all things are your pattern. And when you come under our project of Skin Brilliance for women above 30, there'll be a lot of evaluation of your skin health, skin routine, what products need to be started, everything will be guided to you. And also, if in case we need to evaluate for any kind of hormonal imbalance or any kind of wrong habits, will also be told to you. So very happy to introduce our first maybe a talk on what you should see when your skin turns 30. Stay tuned and stay logged on for many such information if you are a woman beyond age of 30. Thank you.